Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to enable Windows function in navigation options for TalkBack in Realme 14 Pro phone and how to turn it off. So first of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Next we need to go to accessibility and convenience, then accessibility, and here at the top we need to tap the vision tab, then TalkBack, and here we have the scope menu which we need to open in top right corner. Then we need to scroll to customize menus and next customize TalkBack menu. Then we need to scroll down to the navigation portion and we need to tap the navigation to enable this function first of all. Then we can go to the edit navigation options. And here we have our options. We have, as you can see, controls, links, windows, etc. Which we can pick and choose pretty much by tapping the window next to it or to unchecking this box. And that's all.